Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Home app crashing on Android or iPhone. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Settings app and then find the Apps option by scrolling down. Tap on it. Here, tap on all the apps and scroll down till you find the Google Home app. Now tap on Force Stop option and then tap on OK. Tap on Storage options and then tap on Clear Cache. Now go back to your Google Home app and check if it's working. If it is still not working, then come back here and then tap on Clear Storage option and then tap on Delete. The next thing you should do is to go back and tap on Permissions option. You need to allow all of these permissions in order to make sure your app would run without crashing. Even if after all of these, your app is still crashing, then you might be using an outdated version of the app. Open your Google Play Store and search for Google Home. Tap on Google Home and make sure the button is saying Open and not Update. If it says Update, then tap on it. Mine is updated right now. It's that simple. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.